Hello everybody, and today I am going to be showing you how to use Xmind or Mindmap. So basically you start off with a screen like this, and then you can click New Blank Map, and it comes up with a central topic and just whiteness all around. And you have a very big space. So let me just zoom out. And yeah, the space is very big, and you can make it even bigger. So actually, I'm just going to start off with the most basic thing. So to zoom in, you have to kind of, in the bottom right corner, there is this plus button, and it zooms in. To zoom out, you just click the minus button, which is right next to the plus button. And if you want to, let's say, I'm just going to leave the name as central topic. If you want to kind of get a side topic off of it, then what you can do is just click enter. If you want another main topic, then you can just click enter again, and so on. So let me just get 6 of this. Now, if you want to navigate between the topics, as I'm doing right now, without using your mouse, then you can just click the arrow buttons, so up, down, left, and right. And also, if you want to create, let's say, a subtopic of one of the main topics, then making sure it's highlighted, click tab, and it'll create a subtopic of that one. And then you can just keep clicking tab if you want to create another subtopic. And if you click enter now, what it will do is it will create another one on the same level. So, for example, create another subtopic off of this subtopic, off of the main topic, which is off of the central topic. So let me just go ahead and delete that. And if you want to delete it, then just press the delete key on your keyboard. So like that. And wait, let me just get kind of a couple of subtopics of each one. If you want to, let's say, change the name, and instead of having it like subtopic 1, 2, 3, if you want to have it something like hello, well, if you just want to change the name, what you can do is you can double click on it, and then you can type in whatever you want. So I'm just going to type in hello, so like that. And also you can change the name of the central topic, which is, I'm just going to type in another hello, and you can also change the name of these. So you can change the name of every single one. If you want to, let's say, add, like, kind of move these around. So let's say I want to bring this hello somewhere else. Then what I can do is, like, just drag it onto a different path, onto a different kind of. So you see this red bit, the red circle, kind of highlights where it goes. So if I let go of my mouse, then it will make a subtopic off of this one. But let's say I drag it somewhere like here, then it will create another one. So it just shows you where it goes. And yeah, if you want to, let's say, change the position of things, you can always just drag them around anywhere you want them. And also, if you want to create something outside, then what you can just do is you can just bring that over to this side, and then that entire thing will become a new topic all by itself. You can't actually really create new things off of it unless you click tab, but off the floating topic. So I just created another floating topic right here. And another way to create floating topics is you just double click on the page, and it creates a floating topic. And if you click enter when highlighting a floating topic, it just creates another floating topic. If you want to have sub-menus off of that floating topic, then you will have to click tab and then enter if you want to extend those. So let me just delete all of these. Delete. And if you want to add, let's say, symbols or something, then you can just add markers. And the entire menu of markers is down here in more. So now that I've got the markers menu on the side, I can just click, let's say, 1. So keeping that task priority 1, and then this can be 2. oh well, that's one as well. And then it can just be another thing. Also, I can put flags, task progress, faces, and like symbols, arrows. As you can see, there's a lot of things right there. But you can't have two of from the same thing. For example, I already have a symbol, which is the exclamation mark, but I can't have another symbol. Let's say I click this plus. It just changes, so it removes that exclamation mark, and you can't have two from the same one. So, like that. Let me just delete all of those. Oh well, I can't. I'm just going to control Z. Okay, so that is basically kind of the basics of Mindmap. If you want to, I guess, insert something like a picture, then what you can do is, so for this, you can do a topic, so like that, or, and I just showed you the shortcut way, which is tab or enter, but you can also do things like go into here, but it's just much more, it just takes like a lot of clicking, so I prefer to just use tab and enter instead of going the long way like this. And also there are some other options here like boundary. It creates a boundary around that. Let's say I create a boundary around here. I haven't actually experimented with some of these, but I'm pretty sure it creates a boundary of all of the subtopics leading off of it. I'm pretty sure you can kind of do things with the boundary. Actually, I don't know. I haven't really tried this out yet, to be honest. But there's relationships, so I can relate that with this. And okay, this is very new for me. So let's say I want to create a relationship from subtopic 2 to this main topic 7. Then what I'll do is I'll just go insert. And then click relationship, or the shortcut is Control L if you just saw that there. And then I'm just moving my mouse around, I'm not holding anything, and I just click on what I want to relate it to. So that's very new for me, and I can also change how this is related, so the arrows. I haven't actually tried this out, to be honest, yet. So, yeah. That's basically it for Xmind or Mindmap, whichever one you'd like to call it. If you like this video, then please make sure to hit the like button down below, as well as subscribe to my channel. And also, yeah, this is the part where you can add pictures. So image from file, image from that or that. And yeah. So goodbye, see you in the next video.